Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. Today, we are going to learn how to change the voice of imperative sentences. Imperative sentences express order, advice, request, or command. While changing the voice, we usually use let in the passive voice. Now, let us start. Change the voice. Do this sum. Answer. Let this sum be done. Solve the matter. Answer. Let the matter be solved. Question number 3. Open the box now. Answer. Let the box be opened now. Question number 4. Write it now. Answer. Let it be written now. Question number 5. Change the voice. Let. Answer. Let the voice be changed. Question number 6. Shut the window. Answer. Let the window be shut. Question number 7. Do it at once. Answer. Let it be done. Let it be done at once. Question number 8. Stop the car. Answer. Let the car be stopped. Question number 9. Answer. Keep the ball rolling. Let the ball be kept. The ball be kept rolling. Question number 10. Hit the ball. Answer. Let the ball be hit. Question number 11. Clean the room. Let the room be cleaned. Answer. Let the room be cleaned. Question number 12. Shut the window. Answer. Let the window. Let the window be shut. Question number 13. Write the letter. Let the letter. Answer. Let the letter be written. Paint the wall. Answer. Let the wall be painted. Question number 15. Wash the clothes. Answer. Let the clothes be washed. Question number 16. Post the letter. Answer. Let the letter be posted. Question number 17. Read the book. Answer. Let the book be read. Question number 18. Repair the car. Answer. Let the car be repaired. Question number 19. Fill the bottle. Answer. Let the bottle let the bottle be filled. Question number 20. Question number 20. Water the plants. Answer. Let the plants be watered. Question number 21. Feed the dog. Answer. Let the dog be fed. Question number 22. Answer. Lock the door. Let the door be locked. Question number 23. Bake the cake. Answer. Answer. Let the cake. Let the cake be baked. Last question. Question number 24. Switch off the light. Answer. Let the light be switched off. Switched off. Switched off. So students, this is how we change the voice of imperative sentences. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.